Hey everybody, it's Dr. J, and today we are talking about ideal gas law. Let's talk chemistry. So ideal gas law is just basically when we combine all of those three simple gas laws, right? If you don't remember the three simple gas laws, I highly recommend looking at that video about the three simple gas laws. Now, only ideal gases will follow this law. So we have something that's called real gases and ideal gases. Okay, so mainly ideal gases are going to obey when our pressure is low and our temperature is high. Okay, so the ideal gas law is PV equals nRT. And once again, this is the combination of our three simple laws: Boyles Law, Charles Law, and Avogadro's Law. So what we see here is that, like for this instance, this portion, if our constant, right, remember, when we're talking about Boyles Law, N and temperature, right? Moles and temperature are going to be constant, but we're looking at volume and pressure for Boyle's law. And remember that they're inversely related, right? So if temperature increases, our pressure decreases, right? Vice versa. And because of this relationship, we can actually just solve for our volume whenever our N and T are going to be constant. If we look at Charles' law, right? Charles' law is in this ideal gas law. This is when our volume is going to be proportional to our temperature. So once again, right, if we keep our N and our pressure the same, we can actually find our volume or temperature using ideal gas law. Same thing with Avogadro's law. Volume is proportional to the amount of moles. If our pressure and temperature is remaining constant, along with our gas constant over here, we can find our V and N. So essentially, instead of using, right, Avogadro's law, Charles' law, or Boyle's law to find either your volume or pressure or your temperature or the amount of moles, we can just use ideal gas law. PV equals nRT, right? And once again, the P is going to be the pressure, the V is the volume, the N is the amount of moles, and the T is your temperature. Once again, that's going to be in Kelvin. Now, your R is what we call our ideal gas constant. So this is always going to be the same number, 0.08206 liters times atmosphere over Kelvin mole. The key thing, this is a number for when we have these units. If you got different units, this number don't even apply, y'all. So if you got different units, make sure that you're going to convert those different units, okay? But everybody, this is essentially gas law, the ideal gas law. PV equals nRT.